Now, supposing you have this question, 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 11. How are you going to go about it? Now, let's start. So, you can rewrite this as 2 to the power x to be equal to 11 minus x. 11 minus x is equal to 2 to the power x. I divide both sides by 2 to the power x by 2 to the power x. And when I do that, I'm going to have 2 to the power negative x multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to 1. Now, the identity we use over here is when you have 1 over a to the power b, it can be written as a to the power negative b. Now, we are going to multiply the entire expression, both the left-hand side and the right-hand side, by 2 to the power 11. So when we do that, we are going to have 2 to the power 11 multiplying 2 to the power negative x multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to 2 to the power 11 multiplying 1. Now, when we do this, we are going to have 2 to the power 11 minus x multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to 2 to the power 11. Now, over here, another identity we use is that when you have a to the power b multiplying a to the power c, this is equal to a to the power b plus c. When the bases are the same and you're multiplying, you just add the exponents. That's exactly what we've done over there. Now, if we continue, we can have this as 11 minus x multiplying 2 to the power 11 minus x to be equal to 2 to the power 11. Now, I am going to introduce another thing, that is the natural log, ln, and e. Over here, when we have e to the power natural log of, let's say, 5, this should be equal to 5. When we have e to the power natural log of x, that should be equal to x. Another one, let's say we have e to the power natural log of y, that should be equal to y. With that being said, good. So with that being said, we can introduce the natural log into the equation. So we have 11 minus x multiplying. Now, in place of 2, we can have e to the power natural log of 2, which is the same as 2. Now, that entire expression raised to the power 11 minus x is equal to 2 to the power 11. And when we expand this, we are going to have 11 minus x multiplying e to the power natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x, close bracket, is equal to 2 to the power 11. Now, over here, we are going to multiply both the left-hand side and the right-hand side by natural log of 2. And when we do that, we're going to have natural log of 2 multiply the expression 11 minus x multiplying e to the power natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to natural log of 2 multiplying 2 to the power 11. Now, we can see that the expression over here is natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x, and over here too is natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x. So now I can go ahead and take W Lambert function on both sides. So when I do that, I'm going to have W Lambert function of natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x, that expression multiplying e to the power natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to W Lambert's function of the right side, which is natural log of 2 multiplying 2 to the power 11. Now, what it means is that when you take W Lambert's function of, let's say, AE to the power A, when you take W Lambert's function of this expression, the answer is simply equal to A. So when we bring that same ideology back into our question, it means that when we take W Lambert's function of this whole expression, we are going to have natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x. So when we take W Lambert's function of this whole entire expression, we are going to have natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to W Lambert's function of natural log of 2 multiplying 2 to the power 11. Now over here, I'm going to focus on the right hand side. Okay, so we are going to have natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to W Lambert's function of natural log of 2 multiplying 2 to the power 3 multiplying 2 to the power 8. You just split the 11 into 2 and 8, into 3 and 8. Now when we do that, we are going to have natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to W Lambert's function of 8 natural log of 2 multiplying 2 to the power 8. And when we go a step further, we are going to have natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to W Lambert's function of 8 natural log of 2 multiplying, now in place of the 2 over here, I can have e to the power natural log of 2. Now that entire expression raised to the power 8. The 2 over here, the 2 to the power 8 over here can be written in this way. And when I do that, you're going to have natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to W Lambert's function of 8 to the 8 natural log of 2 multiplying e to the power 8 natural log of 2 close parenthesis. Now the same scenario over here, and then I'm going to have natural log of 2 multiplying 11 minus x to be equal to, when I take W Lambert's function of this is our a, e to the power a. So that's just going to give us, when we take W Lambert's function of a, e to the power a, it's just going to give us a. And when we do that, we are going to have 8 natural log of 2. Now, we can divide both sides by a natural log of 2. Can divide both sides by a natural log of 2. So this natural log of 2 will take away this, and this will take away this one. And when we continue, we are going to have 11 minus x to be equal to 8. And in solving for x, we find out that x is equal to 11 minus 8, which implies x is equal to 3. Now let's test the value, which is 3. Now over here, testing for the value, we have 2 to the power 3 plus 3 is equal to 11. Yes, that's correct. So because 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 3, that's equal to 11. That means our value x equals 3 is correct.